forecast.
All right, it's the big night. Time for the WANE Winter Outlook. You know, before December even arrived, Fort Wayne had picked up more than 4 inches of snow, and some surrounding areas had seen even more. At the end of November, we were 2.4 inches above average, which had many of you wondering, could this be a sign of what's to come for winter? What we know is that winter 22 into 23 is another La Nina winter. When we have La Nina, the warmer waters off the western coast of South America are pushed westward by stronger than typical trade winds, and the cool water below comes to the surface. The appearance of this colder water occurs in tandem with a weather pattern across our part of the globe that supports the polar jet stream dipping into our region to bring cold air nearby, and also supports winter storm systems tracking right by us. This doesn't always mean more snow, but it does lend itself to higher amounts of moisture from rain, snow, and ice combined than what's common in an average Fort Wayne winter. What's interesting is that this is our third La Nina winter in a row. This is rare and has only happened 2 other times on record: the winters from 1973 through 1976 and 1998 through 2001. Now, this is certainly a fun fact, but I'll tell you, it doesn't necessarily mean much because every La Nina is not the same. Just take a look, comparing our past 2 winters. Total precipitation was 4.71 inches over winter 20 to 21, but over 8 inches in winter 21 to 22. Even though winter 21 to 22 had much more total precipitation, it had far less snow. Only 23.2 inches as compared to the 35.8 inches from 20 to 21. Now, let me throw in this wrinkle for you. The average temperature across both seasons was pretty similar and pretty close to average. In winter 20 to 21, it was 28.3 degrees and slightly higher in 21 to 22 at 28.9 degrees. So, where does the Live Doppler 15 Fury storm team stand on the winter ahead? Well, we believe the traditional La Nina pattern will continue to play out, causing our temperatures to lean near average or below average, but not be far above average. For snow and total precipitation, the La Nina pattern gives us an increased likelihood of more systems tracking by to increase our totals. So we predict near to above average snow amounts and above average total precipitation amounts. That's rain, snow, and ice combined. Now, although the overall pattern leads us to make this forecast, I don't have the same level of confidence that things won't change, as I might have in an El Nino year when the pattern is often much less variable. Know that your Live Doppler 15 Fury storm team is keeping a close eye on our winter weather, and we'll update you if we see changes to this expected pattern. Now, this week, the weather does get a little wintry with some snow mixing with rain tomorrow night. Then there's really cold air hitting at the end of the 10-day forecast. So let's take a look at what's to come here. This is what we have, a system well off to the west. You can see rain and snow scattering in that part of the country. This is what's headed here, and it arrives later tomorrow night into our Wednesday morning. For now, this evening, we're talking just about clouds being stuck in place and our temperatures gradually falling out of the 30s, ending up in the upper 20s by the time we get to early morning. Now, for our Tuesday, we're stuck in with the cloud cover firmly for the start of the day, but by the afternoon, if you're looking for some sunshine, that's going to be our best chance to see it. Temperatures at lunchtime in the upper 30s, high temperatures just above 40 in a lot of spots tomorrow afternoon. Then notice the clouds are thickening up. That's the sign of the next system moving in. Some rain could be in our far western sections of the area, Warsaw, Wabash, just before midnight tomorrow night. And then by the Wednesday morning drive, pretty much all of us seeing some rain, and it's possible a few snowflakes could mix in north of Fort Wayne. Not looking at any major travel impacts with those snowflakes. It is going to be mainly a rain event, but know that there could be a few snowflakes out there. Then our temperatures rise during the day, and it's just rain that we'll see. It's a whole lot more scattered by lunchtime on Wednesday, and the same is true for our afternoon into the evening. Now, take a look at what's to come in our exclusive 10-day forecast here. Temperatures on an upswing the next few days, 41 tomorrow, 43 on Wednesday, 47 on Thursday. Rain still around early Thursday, but it moves out for the afternoon and we're dry. Friday and Saturday, a slight chance of seeing just a few snowflakes in the air. Friday, notice the colder air coming in behind this next system, 36. Saturday, 29. Sunday, 30. Then look at what happens next week. Starts off A-OK, but then by Wednesday, a high of only 20. On Thursday, we're talking about a high temperature of only 19. That's your latest forecast.